Hi everyone. A lot of my friends preparing for the TOEFL test have been asking for free TOEFL resources as a beginners. So as a beginner during the preparation for my TOEFL test, I also have struggled with finding some resources as I did not have access to the international payment gateway. So here in this video, I have compiled some of the websites that provided free resources for your complete TOEFL practices. I'll also share some of the paid plans to the mock test as well as the practices. And moreover, for the bonus, I also have collected some of the PDF as well as some official TOEFL softwares to be installed on the PC for your practice. So if you need the materials, make sure to mail me on the mail address I will be providing at the end of this video. So let's deep dive into the resources. You can simply search for UWishCore in Google, and the first website on the list heads you to the TOEFL practice websites. So here you can translate it on English and click on the TOEFL section. So there are around 54 TPOs, and inside the TPOs you can practice all of the sections of the TOEFL test. That's the reading, listening, speaking, as well as the writing section. Also, you can also test for a single test. For example, in this test, I have clicked on the commercialization of lumber. So you can simply click on practice, and it's take you to the text where you can practice our reading section. So in the same way, we can also practice listening as well as speaking and writing section. So if you would like to have a single test, then you can directly click on the take a test section for the reading, likewise in the listening as well as the writing section. Whereas on the speaking section, you have got 6 questions, and these 6 questions you can practice individually. So I have provided a link for this website on the description. So check the description for the website. Similarly, the second website on the list is weuxc100.com. So it also provides the TOEFL TPOs from 1 to 65. So in this website also we can practice the reading, hearing, speaking as well as the writing section. So simply you can click on the link that I have provided on the description, and first of all make sure to check the translate section because the website is provided in Chinese language. So if you are other than Chinese, then you need to see on your address bar which provides a Google Translate icon, and on the icon you can simply click for English and it translates to English. So from this you can easily practice reading, listening, speaking as well as the writing section of the TOEFL test. And the next on the list is Testadmit.com. So it is one of the best website I have found useful. So here we can practice reading, listening, speaking as well as the writing section of the latest TOEFL test. So it provides around 66 TPOs for free, as well as the Testadmit mock test also for free. So there are a bunch of Testadmit mock test. Similarly, we can also practice the Barron's test. So you can practice either a single paragraph, or you can easily take the whole test for the TOEFL, as well as you can also take a full mock test that includes the 3 hour of the test. So if you would like to invest some money and get some more TPOs for practice, then you can simply click on the plans, and here you can upgrade the plan. During my TOEFL practice, I have taken the 21 USD package for 1 month, and it provides some of the additional TPOs where you can practice for our TOEFL test. So if you have access to international payment gateway like MasterCard or the Visa and debit as well as credit cards, you can simply click on the upgrade option and then deposit some T coins, and you can simply click on the pay now, and it redirects to the link where you can pay for your TOEFL test using your card. So if you have access to the international payment cards like MasterCard as well as Visa, then you can easily take some package and practice it. It has been providing different packages like for 1 month as well as for 5 months. So also it provides the essay grading service. So if you would like to grade your speaking as well as the writing section, then you can use some additional balance to grade your essays as well as your speaking section. So it is one of the most useful website I have found during my practice, and it has provided a bunch of resources which have been really helpful for me during my TOEFL test. So also the next on the list is Testglider. So here you can get some questions for free, whereas for the full access you have to spend some of your balance. So here for the subscription pass, it asking $29, and it provides access to 12 full mock tests, and it's billed monthly. So if you spend $29, then you will get access for 1 month package. So these are some of the pre-TOEFL websites that provides resources for your TOEFL mock test. So if you'd like to have some more materials, including some of the PDFs and some of the software from the TOEFL ETS, then make sure to mail me at techbyteforyou@gmail.com. So this much for this video. I hope this video is found helpful for you guys. So if you have found this video helpful, then make sure to check on the subscribe button